Hi, today I will be showing you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix YouTube not showing comments. First things first, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you are using the latest version of your YouTube application. So search for YouTube. If you see an update button right here, what you're going to do is you have to click that one and make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. Now, another thing is that you can now open your YouTube and then you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to your settings. So you see this gear icon right here. You need to tap that one. Click general and scroll down, and you have to make sure that the restricted mode has been turned off or you turn this one off. Okay, so that's the first thing here. Now, if this one is turned on, just toggle this one off. Another thing or another way on how to fix this problem is to long press YouTube application and tap on app info. Here, what you're going to do is you have to simply scroll down, tap on permissions, and make sure that you have allowed some application here or feature here such as photos and videos. Let's just say phone. Okay, this should be put into allowed section. Now, after doing this, if the problem is still there, you can just basically uninstall and reinstall YouTube application and see if after doing this, you can now easily comment to someone or to some account. Now, if you go to your YouTube desktop, one of the reasons why you cannot comment or comment section is not showing is that maybe the video is set to kids. If that is the case, then you really cannot comment to that specific video. For example, this one right here. Now, if you are the owner of that video and you want to receive comments from someone, you just basically go to your edit section. And then from yes, it's made for kids, you need to tap on this no, it's not made for kids. And then tap on save. So basically, these are a few ways on how to fix YouTube not showing comments. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.